Well, good morning. It's Tuesday. Let's see how we do today. Here's the premonition charts. We've got DIA to the downside, IWM. Boy, this looks like the exactly opposite of yesterday. JPM, 3 down so far, and SPY down. Wow. Everything is dropping. Okay, let's check some prices. I should have told you the time. It's 9:33. We'll be more conservative today. We'll just do these four. DIA puts, how about 143, 147, the 99s. IWM, 146, 149 for the 61s. JPM, 122, 123, 45s. And SPY, let's go way out of the money. 152, 153 for the 107s. Okay, I'm going shopping. Looks like Microsoft wants to go up. It's 9:38. There we go. So Microsoft to the upside. I did get everything that was indicated earlier. Microsoft up. Strange, that's the opposite, but I'm not going to discriminate. I'm not going to predict anything. MSFT. 85 and 86. That's for the 26. Okay, here we are. It's 11:46, so almost noon. Let's see how we're doing so far, shall we? What did we have? We had DIA. We had the $99. What was that? Come on. We had the $99 puts. 99 puts. 170 right there. We paid 147. IWM. For the $61 puts, it's now 176, as you can see right here. We paid 149. JPM. We have the $45 puts, now $1.10. We paid $1.23, so losing a little bit on that one. SPY, we had the 107 puts. They're now 174. We paid 153. And for a change of pace, we had calls on Microsoft. We had the $26 calls. They're now 78. We paid 86, so we're losing a little bit on that. So let's put some numbers to that. Let's see if we made any profit or loss. Okay, there we go. Today is October 20th. We bought these at, as indicated, at 9:35, and it's now noon. So this is how many contracts we would have been able to buy at these prices to keep each purchase under $1,000. So total investment $4,642.50. Now let's see if we're making or losing. So we're up $197. We now have $48.39.50. So 4.24% so far. But of course, I never say to sell at this time of the day. I'm going to put everything up for sale to sell at market on close. But like I've said before, we don't tell you when to sell. It's entirely up to you. But just show you what we're doing. So I'll be back a little bit later on, and we'll see if there's a bigger return at a different time. Okay, let's see how we're doing now. It's 3:38. I actually sold all of mine. Sold at about 1 o'clock. Okay, we had the 99 puts for the diamonds. They're now 154. So that would have done much better at 12 noon when it was 170. IWM. The $61 puts are 166. At noon it was 176. JPM, $45 puts. 117. Well, that's a better price. At noon it was 110. Spiders, we had the 107s, 164. At noon it was 174. And Microsoft, $26 calls. They're now $1. And at noon they were 78 cents. And here's how they look. Here's the numbers. So we would have made $279 by selling at 330, a 6.01% return on our investment. Yesterday we had 6.25. So it looks like, appeared that noon was going to be better, 330. So it's looking so far in our 2-day test that closer to the end of the day seems to be giving us better results. So there you go. That's Tuesday, and that's 2 profitable days so far, 2 out of 2. This week, we've really been on a roll for a winning day. If you'd like to join us and start sharing in some of the fun that this is giving us, it's always fun to make a profit. By all means, visit our website, financialfurnace.com, and get your subscription.